Okay, so we got this series here, and we want to determine its convergence using the ratio test. The ratio test states that for the limit as n goes to infinity of each of the next terms divided by the current terms, if this is equal to some value L that is less than 1, then the series is convergent. For L is greater than 1, divergent. And L is equal to 1, it's inconclusive. No, can't determine convergence or divergence if L is equal to 1. Alright, so now we'll take the limit as n approaches infinity of -2 to the n plus 1 over 2 times n plus 1 factorial divided by -2 to the n over 2n plus 1 factorial. Okay, this is equal to, we only need the absolute value in this case on this -2 to make sure that it is positive. Okay, so let's see as the limit approaches infinity, and we'll also multiply by the reciprocal of this, because dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by a reciprocal. So we'll go 2, I just took the absolute value of the top to the n plus 1 over 2n plus 2 plus 1. I just expanded that bottom times, oh whoops, sorry, forgot about the absolute value on that's 1, 2. Take the absolute value of the top right here. It's just going to be 2n over, oh, I forgot that this is the multiplying by the reciprocal here. Gotta put the denominator in the numerator and the numerator in the denominator. Okay, now we can start canceling terms. We see a 2n and a 2n. And let's expand out the factorials here. As n approaches infinity, and we got we have hold on, 1, 2 left on top, and this is going to be times. Okay, so this is where the factorial bit comes in. Expanding it, 2n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 minus 1 times 2n plus 1 minus 2 dot dot dot. And then are all the way to 3 times 2 times 1. And all of this divided by 2n plus 2 plus 1 times 2n plus 2 plus 1 minus 1 times 2n plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 times 3 times 2 times 1. Alright, and we see right here that this is 2n plus 3, 2n plus 2, 2n plus 1. Okay, let's see, so we got 2n up here. We've got 2n minus 1. We got 2n plus 1. Okay, so here, I'll do this in a different color so you can see better. So 2n cancels out with this next term over here. 2n minus 1 cancels out with this one over here. Everything cancels out. Here is where we, it's the final canceling out. Cancel out those two, and then all we have left is this on the bottom. So we got this is equal to the limit as n approaches infinity of 2 on top of 2n plus 3 times 2n plus 2. And obviously, as the n approaches infinity, this whole thing approaches 0. Therefore, because we'll say that this is less than 1, implies that this is, we'll say this, what is that? Series is a equals 0, negative 2 to the nth power over 2n plus 1 factorial is convergent by ratio test.